Is Ace Trophy Pure really the natural remedy it claims to be, or just another wellness brand capitalizing on people's health struggles? In this video, we take a deep and balanced look into Ace Trophy Pure, an online store that promotes holistic, plant-based products focused on reproductive health and general wellness for both men and women. Their offerings include herbal formulas said to help with conditions like fibroids, PCOS, hormonal imbalances, and even blocked fallopian tubes. At first glance, the idea of using nature to restore balance sounds appealing, but how much of it is backed by real results? The website has been live since January 2022, which gives it some credibility in terms of online longevity. They also claim that their products are handcrafted and developed in-house, which sounds promising from a quality control standpoint. However, when you dig deeper, you'll notice a very limited amount of verified customer reviews or third-party testimonials. That alone makes it difficult to trust the bold claims made on the product pages. Their social media presence is active, but not necessarily thriving. Followers exist, but engagement seems minimal, and it's hard to find consistent user feedback that confirms effectiveness. One important thing to note is the clear FDA disclaimer on their site, stating that their statements haven't been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, and that their products aren't intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. That's a red flag for anyone expecting clinically tested solutions. While it's clear the brand is trying to build trust through natural healing and transparency in formulation, the lack of medical endorsements, user-proven results, and scientific backing makes it hard to give a fully positive or negative verdict. At the end of the day, Ace Trophy Pure might work for some and not for others, and that uncertainty is what makes this review important, so you can decide with eyes wide open before putting your health or money on the line.